Hello friends, welcome to BISP solution. My name is Lukesh Nandi. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a price book in Oracle Fusion application. Using price books, you can create product list with price that you can use in other sales application, such as contracts, accounts, and opportunity. So let's see how to create a price book. Let's go to the application. Click on the navigator. In the navigator, click on the sales. In the sales, click on the price book. Now click on the create price book. Let's enter the details of the price book. Let's start with the name. I give the name of the price book, which is customer price list. Customer price list. You can give the description of this price book. Now you can give the currency for this price book. I go with the USD and click on save and close. See, the price book customer price list was created. Let's refresh it. Again, click on the navigator, click on the price book. See, the customer price list, the price book is created. Now, click on that. This is the details of this price book, and you can see the status is given over here, either draft or active. Right now, I go with the draft status. Now, let's add one product in this price book. Let's select the product name from the list. Click on the search button. Let's give the product name. Search for that. Click on this search result and click on OK button. Now give the price 50,000. Now click on save and close. So in this is how you can create a price book in Oracle Fusion application. Now let's edit this price book. You can edit this price book by clicking on this price book name, and you can change the name of this price book. Let's I give it 2 and 7 close. See the changes over here. The customer price list 2. Now, when you are ready for use this price book, you are ready to use this price book, then you can change the status of this price book. This is in draft status. Then click on this active and then click on save and close. Then this price book is ready to use. After you save the price book in the active status, then the name of this price book you cannot be changed. Let's take it. Click on save and close. Now this is the status is active. Click on the customer price list too. See the name, you cannot change it. Now copy a price book. You may want to copy a price book to save the time needed to create a new one. Then you can do it using the price book. Copy the price book. You can copy the price book while you are any status. You are either in tier status, you are in a draft status. Now click on the action button. Click on copy the price book. Let's give the name of copy price book, like I give the name or price list copy. Save and continue. Save and close. See, the customer price list copy is created. This is the earlier we created, and this is the newly copy price book. Now, how can you delete this price book? So after you delete the price book, the application remove them from the list of the price book, and they are no longer available to consume in the application. But one thing, keep in mind that you can only delete the price book that are in the draft status. See, the first one is customer price book list 2 is in active condition, active status, but the customer price list copy price book is in draft status. So check, we will check both in order to delete. Let's click on the first one. This the status is active. Now click on the action button. You can see the delete button is disabled, so you cannot delete the price book when the status is inactive. Save and close. Now go with the second one, the customer price list book. Click on that. See, the status is in draft. So click on the action button. Then the delete button is in enable. So click on that. Click yes. See, the price book is deleted. So this is how you can create the price book, you can edit the price book, you can copy the price book, and you can delete the price book. So hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.